just another day at Mellor International.
Yes.
Gonna be flying in our UPS 767 from Mellor to Perth International. So we are delivering tons of electronics, I think, right, Liam?
Yes, and we're
Yeah.
delivering like one pallet of batteries, I think.
Yeah. So it's just gonna taxi to the runway and take off.
Oh, there goes some of the glass, but who cares?
Yep. I think, bro, what did they do to this thing? They made it like way too tight, the taxiing, didn't they?
Yeah. Well, if you're able to spawn this plane here, you need to have the taxiways big enough for it to taxi.
Okay, well, it's like lining up at runway 11. Okay, you ready for takeoff?
Yep.
Alright, and let's go. Flaps 1. Flaps 1.
Oh,
Alright,
sorry, I just didn't hear you.
that's alright. And get up.
Well, I can't put the gear up.
Yeah, alright, gear up. And
Why can't I put the gear up? That's super
alright, flap
strange.
0. Just turning out to get over to Perth. And we have reached our cruising altitude of 2,000, about 2,500 feet, 2,400 and yeah, 2,502 3 feet. Okay,
Yeah.
2,500 feet. Geez, weather's really bad today, isn't it?
Yes.
We're just passing St. Bartholomew.
No, we aren't. We haven't passed St. Bartholomew.
No, we're passing it
Quite
now.
long.
It's right there.
Yeah. Well, maybe no. Oh,
That's St.
well,
Bartholomew.
on my map it says we're in the middle of St. Bartholomew. We're in the middle between Greater Rockford and um Mellor and St. Bartholomew.
Yep. Right, if you look to your left, we're just passing St. Bartholomew.
Well, I can't see outside, but I can see on my map that we're passing St. Bartholomew now.
Yeah. Okay, we're approaching Perth.
Oh, I
Okay,
see Perth.
70 flaps too. Yep, we're gonna start descending now.
Why is it that they removed gear for the co-pilot?
Don't know, it's really strange. Oh, we're coming in fast. Alright, throttle 40. Just start lining up the runway.
Yeah.
The approach is quite strange.
Hmm.
Yeah, see the runway. Just always passing over the Coast Guard station now. Geez, the wind seems to be getting a bit strong over here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to do a crab.
Hmm. Oh, we're getting a bit close to the ground,
Yeah.
aren't we?
Slow down a little bit more.
God, what is the land speed on this plane?
It's quite low.
On most planes, this is the land speed, but on this
We're at
plane,
it.
it must be. No, we aren't. But it must be a bit lower.
It's 124 knots. We're at the land speed.
Ah.
Okay, gear down.
100.
Oh, getting a little close to that mountain. Geez, the wind's really getting strong around here, isn't it?
Hmm. We may have to do a go around if it gets too strong.
Yep.
50,
Wow.
40,
How are we
30.
taxiing in midair?
Oh yeah.
Well, on my screen it says we're taxiing.
Geez, that's weird. Alright. Bit low. We're gonna actually do crab.
10.
Oh god, no. Oh, that's some strong winds. But we're going to
Go around.
Yikes, that's some pretty strong winds.
Hmm.
Attempting to turn around
Ooh. Oh, we're
Usually
at 400 feet. Yeah, and we're at 400 feet, so this isn't very good.
Geez, we're having to bank tons. Alright, gear down. This is a hell of an approach. You have to do one of the military ones where you go nose down.
No, there's a military approach where you literally where the plane it gets so close to the water, then it goes up and then it lands safely. It goes full throttle, then it pulls up on the water, and then it
Jeez, there's a
lands
late
safely.
landing.
Yeah, but
These winds are crazy. We're gonna stop in time.
or maybe do full reverse thrust.
Yep. Alright, let's. We did stop in time. That was a very late touchdown though, thanks to these really strong winds. Jeez.
Hmm. Right, let's taxi to the gate. I think the turn wasn't made. That you needed to turn a bit earlier.
Just taxi.
Hmm. Right.
Cargo drop-off area.
Yeah, I was about to say, why don't you park in one of these gates? But of course, we're a cargo plane.
Yep.
Why am I so silly? I don't know. But I just thought I just didn't think.
Okay, almost here.
Yeah, where is the cargo? Oh, it's up here.
Yep, just up here.
But almost we've already burnt 1/4 of our fuel.
We would have ended up using a bit when we had to do the go around.
True. So we park in the hangar. Yeah, why
Yeah,
not?
it's raining and
Well,
electronics.
it isn't really raining, but
They don't
we have
really
we have
mix.
we have batteries that could explode.
And if you're not seriously
Oh,
dumb,
oh,
oops, you would know batteries and water and any electronics just don't mix. Yep, and engine off.
and
And yep, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to sub to my channel and Liam's channel. And yep, see you guys.
bye.